So a lot of the deciduous woodland we have in Black Park consists of groupings of trees which comprise stuff like birch, beech, ash, oak and sycamore. By and large, most of our deciduous woodland is native, although it does include sycamore, which is a non-native and can potentially outcompete our own native species. So for example, if you have a few mature oaks which are surrounded by equally mature non-natives such as sycamore, that kind of competition for light, for water, can be detrimental to our own native species. And what we try and do is limit that competition from non-natives by removing and managing the spread of these non-natives, so you do get a rich and diverse ecosystem which will comprise of oak, birch, beech, etc.
Deciduous woodlands are some of the UK's most diverse ecosystems. Over 80% of Britain was once covered in deciduous woodland, but today that figure stands at less than 10%, one of the lowest in Europe. Deforestation for grazing land or arable farming, timber for the construction of buildings and ships, and logs for firewood, charcoal and tool production was constant until the end of the 19th century. Since then, bodies such as the Forestry Commission, English Nature and the Environment Agency have been set up to increase the size and quality of our woodlands. Deciduous woodland is a great example of an ecosystem showing interrelation of organisms. Plant leaves from trees such as oak and ash provide energy for primary consumers, such as caterpillars or rabbits, which in turn feed secondary consumers, such as birds or foxes. Once dead, organic matter is broken down by decomposers, such as fungi or insects, such as woodlice and worms. The plants in deciduous woodland exist in several layers. At ground layer, you find small plants, such as snowdrops and bluebells. Then there is the shrub layer, consisting of both woody and non-woody plants, such as brambles or the non-native rhododendron. Above that is the subcanopy, with species such as silver birch and hazel. And finally above the rest is the canopy, home to the dominant species such as oak and ash. Deciduous forests provide a rich habitat for many species, plants and animals alike, lending to its rich diversity.